Hello everyone, welcome back, and you are watching Technical World. If you are unable to download and install free apps from the App Store, and you will get error notification verification required. And keep watching this video until the end, because during this video I'm going to show you how to fix this issue. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First of all, we have to launch App Store and tap on your profile icon in top right corner, then tap your profile ID. Next page, maybe you required Face ID, Touch ID or passcode, then we have to tap on Manage Payments. Under Manage Payment, tap on your billing address and update your billing address correctly, and especially you have to enter postcode and the phone number, then tap Done. If you don't have or don't add any billing address, then tap on Add Payment Method and add your payment method: debit or credit card detail, CVV number that print on your debit or credit card, and then tap Done in top right corner. That's it. Hopefully friends, you found this video helpful, and after doing this simple step you will get rid of this issue. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like and share with your friends and family. Take care. Bye bye.